International academic publisher Esprengger Nature has recently signed a letter of intent for cooperation with Fudang University in Shanghai, aiming to establish a long-term cooperation mechanism and strengthen cooperation in multiple fields. Mark Spinley, Chief Operating Officer of Esprengger Nature Group, said the partnership represents another milestone in Esprengger Nature's increased effort to facilitate China's international research collaboration. The cooperation covers fields including research capability building, the growth of early career scientists, and the study of international scientific research trends.
And I'm really happy that we as a group can support not even Shanghai but even China and speed up the collaboration between scientists and researchers, not only in China but even between China and the international researchers in the world. China and also Shanghai made immense progress in terms of innovation. And if I look at Shanghai, for example, it's not just a commercial hub, it's a hub for innovation. And I could witness that in that week when I was here in Shanghai, how powerful the innovation is. My last time in Shanghai was 17 years back. And I'm so impressed by the innovation power that Shanghai shows, what has changed over 17 years, over the last 17 years in Shanghai. So that's absolutely amazing.
On Tuesday, Esprengger Nature also signed a letter of intent for cooperation with the Zhejiang Association for Science and Technology and Wenzhou City in support of the World Young Scientists Summit hosted by Wenzhou to enable early career scientists from China and the rest of the world to collaborate and thrive together.